The ball is purple. Can you show me something with fur?
There, right there.
Which one?
That one.
Point to it.
Bicycle.
The bicycle doesn't have fur. Bunny rabbit has fur.
Bunny rabbit.
The bunny rabbit. What else has fur?
What else has hair, Jackson?
Oh, this hair.
The girl has hair. What about the duck?
Tucker's hair.
The duck has hair. Can you show me something you wear?
Bicycle.
You wear a hat.
Where's that?
What else do you wear?
Bicycle.
You wear it on your finger. Ring. What do you wear?
Yellow.
The ring. Can you show me something you ride on? You ride on a bicycle. Good job. Can you show me something that hops?
Hops. Yes, hops.
What hops?
True. Girl hops.
The girl can hop. What else can hop? The bunny rabbit.
Bunny
They
rabbit.
hop. Good job.
Bunny rabbit.